We are all experiencing a digital transformation at an expedited pace, as there is a reimagining of technology's critical role in how we work, learn, and live. But do we live with the reality of a digital divide? Many rural and low-income communities around the world, including those in large urban areas, lack reliable, affordable access. More importantly, wireless technology is no longer just important for consumers and entertainment. It is rapidly becoming critical to how we connect with everything in the digital world. We spoke with U.S. Cellular CTO Michael Irizarry about how to bridge the digital gap by bringing reliable and affordable connections to all.
Fixed wireless access and the product that we're offering today and the new one that we're trialing is really important to help address unserved areas as well as the digital divide, those folks that are in more challenged, low density areas where the economics don't work. And so what we've been working on with Qualcomm and some of our other partners, Ericsson, Nokia, and Seago, is how do we extend the performance and the reach of 5G millimeter wave? Because if you can extend the reach, you can lower the cost and make it even more economical to serve unserved areas and these rural markets. And we've made tremendous progress. I would say 2 years ago, when we as an industry started working on millimeter wave 5G, ranges were less than a kilometer. You were lucky if you were getting a 1 kilometer reliable speeds. And so we've been working with Qualcomm and Seago, Ericsson and Nokia in Wisconsin, specifically our Janesville market, trialing with them technology that improves the range and reach and reliability of millimeter wave 5G. Slowly push the boundary to 2 kilometers, then 4 kilometers, 7 kilometers, and then we hit 10 kilometers, 1 gigabit per second, which nobody thought we'd be able to do in the industry. But it just goes to what's possible when you don't set artificial boundaries and you get together with your partners and say, how can we make this more economical to better serve our communities? And that work in Janesville, I would say, has been instrumental and pivotal moving people from what they once thought about millimeter wave to what now is possible with that technology. And we're really excited about it.
While bridging the digital divide is critically important, more must be done to bring the benefits of technology to every person, home, and organization. This is particularly true because digitization is changing the future of education as we know it, and there is a danger that many will be left behind. We spoke with Susie Armstrong, Senior Vice President of Engineering at Qualcomm, about the importance of getting connectivity to the underserved.
We have technology. We need to have everyone in the nation have equal access to these kinds of technologies that are able to bring high-speed remote learning, high-speed remote work, even in rural parts of America. Throughout this pandemic, I think it's been a real eye-opener into the kinds of issues that many Americans face with lack of connectivity and lack of reliable connectivity. We saw kids and parents going to, sitting outside in the parking lots of libraries and schools trying to do their work and their homework. And I think the pandemic has really brought to the forefront not only the possibilities of 5G and remote learning, but the necessity of things like 5G, remote learning, and bridging this connectivity divide. So where we go from here is we need policymakers to help the carriers, to help support the technology, to step up to deploying these amazing technologies in rural America so that everybody can bridge the connectivity divide there, in urban areas and suburban areas where there are so many people who are not connected for economic reasons or other reasons. So we really need to support policies that support that deployment for these people, and we need to support policies that put the research into building the technologies that then can be deployed.